AI predicts, blockchain verifies, operations execute flawlessly. Discover how the revolutionary combination of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology is transforming operations across every industry in 2025. AI and blockchain work together to predict risks, optimize decisions, and spot opportunities in real time with incredible accuracy. Blockchain adds unbreakable security, transparent records, and trustless execution, removing the need for middlemen. Combined, they enable autonomous systems where AI-powered smart contracts automatically check compliance and trigger actions instantly. This synergy is transforming finance and supply chains by reducing human error and speeding up transactions. AI and blockchain together help financial firms cut fraud by 30% by spotting suspicious activity before losses occur. In supply chains, AI predicts demand while blockchain verifies product origins, ensuring full transparency and authenticity. Hybrid AI blockchain systems optimize consensus protocols, improving scalability and energy efficiency. This combination is transforming both finance and global supply chains with smarter, more secure operations. By 2025, combining AI predictions with blockchain verification will set the gold standard for fully autonomous, secure, and transparent operations. Companies using this synergy gain unmatched agility, trust, and competitive advantage in a digital-first world. Integrating AI and blockchain now allows businesses to achieve flawless execution and future-proof their operations. Those who act today will lead the next revolution in operational excellence.